This is not just a rebuild. This is a resurrection. 30 scenes, one legendary engine. Let's begin.
Bringing a legend back to life. This seized 4G62T turbo engine won't be scrap metal for long.
Before turning a single wrench, we read the engine. Every leak and rust spot tells a story.
Draining the sludgy oil. Look at that metallic glitter. We have serious internal damage here. Peripherals come off first. We strip this block to its bare core to see the truth. Lifting the valve cover reveals the top end, heavily caked in thick, burnt oil sludge. Breaking the head bolts loose. The heavy cylinder head is separated from the bottom block.
Here is the culprit, a blown head gasket, the ultimate failure that killed this engine.
Dropping the oil pan reveals the belly of the beast, the crankshaft and connecting rods. Tapping the pistons out, they emerge scored and blackened, desperately needing a total replacement.
Teardown complete. Only the bare cast iron skeleton remains. Now, the true resurrection begins. Boiling away decades of grease and carbon in a chemical hot tank for surgical cleanliness.
Decking the block surface to a mirror finish. Perfect flatness ensures the new gasket seals.
Honing the cylinders to create microscopic crosshatch grooves that retain vital lubrication oil.
Polishing the crankshaft journals to a flawless mirror shine, drastically reducing rotational friction. Welcome to the clean room. From this point on, even a speck of dust destroys clearances. Pressing main bearings into the block and coating them with protective, thick, red assembly lube.
Gently lowering the balanced crankshaft into place. The central spine of our turbo powerhouse.
Torquing every main cap bolt precisely to digital specs. Guesswork here means catastrophic failure. Manually gapping each piston ring. Too tight they snap, too loose we lose all compression. With a solid thud, the shiny new pistons slide perfectly into their cylinder bores. Aligning a pristine multi-layer head gasket, the ultimate seal between fire, water, and oil. Lowering the rebuilt cylinder head and torquing the bolts evenly in a strict spiral sequence. Seating the gleaming new camshafts and pouring fresh, amber oil over the precision lobes.
The critical engine timing. These marks must be absolutely flawless to save the valves.
Sealing the top end with a vibrant powder-coated cover and installing fresh spark plugs. Bolting on the turbocharger, manifolds, and accessories. The skeleton is
Pouring fresh synthetic gold oil and cooling and ready to wake up. The moment of truth. Turning the key. Perfect pressure, she is alive.
from rusted scrap to a finely tuned, idling masterpiece. That is the art of restoration.
A forgotten legend, reborn to rule the roads once again. The ultimate box type. See you on the next build.